Hello everybody, and welcome to my backyard. Let me take you down the backyard to get to my garden. Now, all this is in process of getting updated and cleaned up and getting ready for summer. Slowly, everything is just making its way to a nice relaxing backyard for the family and friends, hopefully to have this summer. This is one of the little garden pieces that we added to the backyard. A little bougainvillea and some little flowers. And our dining room table that needs to be painted. Soon should get a little paint. And we also have the backyard shower in case we need to take a shower. And this is my little play yard. Back here is my garden. Right now it does look a little messy and in disarray, in need of a lot of help. All this is in the process of spring and summer, and little by little, all this is going to be changing. We have very soon a construction of a big block wall where the wood is at right there in the back. You can see it's kind of falling apart. That is going to be turned into a block wall. All of these little plants are going to be transplanted and put into different little areas. They're just seedlings when I started. This is my little lemon tree that hopefully by August, September, I should have some lemons big enough to make lemonade. And I'll share that with you guys when time comes. The back wall should be turned into also a lattice, and then some ivy should be growing there by next summer or spring. All that needs to be changed, and it should be changed. It's going to take a little while. We have the contractor coming and starting on that pretty much mid-June. So this is my little garden right now. This was in the morning. I believe it's around 7:30 in the morning when I started to go ahead and just go see in the back what needed to be done and make sure that plants needed to be watered or my fountain needed some water. All these little things that I'm barely starting. Started a little late. I should have started early spring, and I started late in the spring. That table is going to be also be fixed up. There's a couple of painting projects we have. These are little seedlings we have of flowers from that Dollar Tree box that I bought, if you saw that haul. More of the little box seeds. And then over here, I wanted to show you guys the planters that I got from the 99. Of course, they're 99 cents, but these are the planters that I got for the plants that I'm planting this summer, and little things that I'll be potting. This little barrel was adorable. I couldn't leave it behind. My little shovel for my planting that I got, a little watering can for my granddaughter so she can help me water. She's doing a really good job on that. And those are our solar lights. Those are very dim. I wouldn't recommend getting them. They're a little large. Those are tomatoes there. And those should be growing pretty soon. Back there is some butterfly, I believe, flowers that they love. And then I'm just showing you the other side of the back of the patio where we get to just spend some family time together. Little bee saying welcome, which should be changing. And I have a believe, there you are, right there. And if you saw that video of me making this is where it ended up at for now. It's going to be changing homes little by little. It's going to go here and there in different places. This is the evening. And this is what I've accomplished throughout the day of what I was doing, fixing up the backyard. And the garden, it just got a little picked up. As you can tell, the barrels have now little plants. There's a serrano chili there, and there is a bell pepper on the other side. The sunflowers are now growing in the large rectangle green planters, and those are going to be there. Now that they're bigger, a couple of bins that I have, all that's going to be moved. So work in progress, work in progress. I'm working towards getting all of this, moved and everything and how I want it. But there's the green peppers or the bell peppers. The other one had the serrano chile. And those are all of the little plants Those there, I believe, are going to be squash. We don't know which kind of squash because we got a package for free, and I think they were mislabeled. And up here we have a little hummingbird feeder. So far, at this point, I haven't seen any hummingbirds. Here's a little fountain. It is in the evening. It's a solar powered fountain, so it turns on during the day when the sun is out. And I'm trying to see what I want with it. There's the back wall. Nothing changed really, other than I moved the fountain towards the front of the table instead of leaving it at the back of the table. And I wanted to go ahead and show you my chamomile that I'm having here. Hopefully it gets bigger. And over here is an apricot tree, an orange tree, the tomatoes that you guys saw. The flowers removed. That basket was just to bring things back here. And we have the water hose that my husband installed here. It's going to be probably moved a couple of times before it stays in its home. And there you guys have it, my little garden. And I wanted to share with you guys some of the parts where the crafts are going to be at. See you guys soon.